Hi Maria, how are you getting on? Um, Let me know if you can hear me there, because I can't. I don't have my headphones on yet, so let me just see if I have something coming out here. Hello, check 1 2. It's slow. 1 2 check. Okay. Whoa, that's not good. Yeah. Okay. Right. How is the amalgamated chat doing here? Hi Tobias. How are you, Carly? Raymond Smith is in there as well. And let me just see if I have a few more here. This is a bit funny for me here, as per usual. Okay, I'm going to move this forward so I can see it. Mossy Power Music is in there as well. Catherine Bryant, Don Sova. Who else did I miss there as well? Few people in. Okay. So I wasn't supposed to be going on. Christina's in there as well. Jorgeger's in. I wasn't supposed to be going on Facebook tonight. But I've been doing so little streams on Facebook. I said I would go on to it there anyway. And let me just check. There's nothing weird going on there. 1 2 check. Okay. I love the way y'all say my name. Carly Hayden. Carly Hayden. I actually don't know what other way to say it, Carly. Tell me how you'd say it phonetically there. Let me see here. Where's my name? Okay, I'm also going to stick on. You know what I'll do? I'll do a couple of tunes first there. I'll do a couple of songs first. I'm going to go live on Instagram as well there at the same time for the buzz. But after I do a couple of songs, and you can let me know what the sound is like, and you can let me know if the chat is a bit better there as well. If you can see the chat, I can't see it there as well. An afternoon delight. How are you, Kelly? How are you getting on? An afternoon delight. There's a song we haven't done in a while. Melissa Green is in there as well. Bernadette is in there too. Murray Lee is in there as well. Caught you this week. I saw that message from you there as well, Murray, and I'll be getting on to Bowie about that there shortly. So it's great to hear hear from you with regards to that. I hope you're doing well, man. Monday. Haven't streamed on Monday in a long time. So I said it's gonna come on here, do a couple of songs for a couple of hours. And what I'm gonna do. I was down home in Laois at the weekend again. We had a nice family, big occasion, a big birthday down there. So we're down there at the weekend, and 25 pints of Guinness. Okay, yeah, the chat's coming through. Okay, that's nice. No echo, you sound super. I don't have the echo on yet anyway, but yeah, I took off the echo. Fair play to you, Maria. Right, I'll do a couple of songs here to start off with. And if anyone's any requests, of course, fire them in. And if I know the song, I'll try it. Or I'll do it. Let me see, how can I hang this? Jesus. And not the baby guitar again. This time. Any plectrums. Carly, you probably say Carly. Curly Hayden. It's just the accent. Yeah, I call it Carly. Yeah, the flat yeah, you could be louder. Let me do a song, Kelly, and then let me know, right? if I need more volume. Yeah, let me know there, because as usual it was a rush to get going here this evening. I only came back from Laois. In a neat little town they call Belfast, apprentice to trade I was bound, and many sweet hours of happiness was spent in that sweet little town, till a sad misfortune came over me, and it led me to stray from the land, far away from my friends and relations, to follow the Black Velvet Band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, now you thought her the queen of the land, and her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up with a black velvet band. As I went walking down Broadway, not intending to stay very long, well, I met with a frolicsome damsel as she came skipping along. A gold watch she took from her pocket, and she slipped it right into me hand. From the very first day that I met that girl, I'd looked to her black velvet band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, now you thought her the queen of the land, and her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up with a black velvet band. For judge and jury next morning, now that both of us had to appear, and the gentleman, he claimed his jewellery, and the case against us was clear. 7 long years penal servitude, right on down to Van Diemen's Land, far away from my friends and relations, to follow the Black Velvet Band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, now you thought her the queen of the land, and her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up with a black velvet band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, now you thought her the queen of the land, and her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up with a black velvet band. And her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up with a black velvet band. Thank you very much. That was a Black Velvet Band there for you. Sarah Louise Locklear is in there as well. That's good, Murray. And as I said, I'll have a chat to you there, maybe even tonight. Daniela is in there as well. Steinbach. What is this? Some key music, just the medicine I need. Spoonful of medicine. Spoonful of sure. Renata is in there as well. How are you, Renata? Ciao. When I know it there. Jesus, I've just uploaded Thursday Soul Stream. I can't remember to buy it if I even downloaded it. The other stuff. Jesus. Did I? Can't remember. Okay, sounding good so far. Murray, are you over here menacing this lovely Each one's alive. This was going to be my request. Good, fair play to you, Julia. We're on the same wavelength there. So good, sounding good. That's nice. Sitting on the patio swing, enjoying sunshine while listening. That sounds lovely, Bernadette. The sound bar was one of the best investments in my new home. I love it. My new streaming experience. That's deadly, Christina. I got I think I was texting there already about that. The lads got me a sound bar for my last birthday there, and it's night and day. And I'd love to catch a stream on a sound bar. I must have a listen back to see what the experience is like there. But I had to listen to one of our streams down in my brother's house, Bobby's house there during the summer, and it's great to hear it actually back on a big system like that. Yeah, for sure. And a few people listen in their cars as well, and the cars have good sound systems. Thanks very much, Daniela. Vicky's in there as well. I saw hello, Vicky, but where did I see Vicky jumping in there? Vicky's in there as well. Nancy England fight. Hi from Nashville. No water. You can't stay long. Stay for a few minutes. That's okay. I know it's awkward time over there. Can you do the island, please? I'll try that, Sarah. Remind me there again. I'll warm up to it there as well. I won't mind a little CCR. I'll do that. I'll do the CCR Bob Marley medley here now, Kelly. And then I will do the island for you, Sarah Louise. Well, I'll just warm up to it there. Maybe you can let me know later if you've downloaded everything. Tobias, you have great patience waiting on me. But I will, for sure. So let me just tune up here first of all, and then I'll do some CCR. Actually, let me see if I can go live on my old Instagram here for the crack. How do I do this again here? So click second connection. Oh, I'm not live. That was easy enough. So we are now live on the old Instagram. So I'll do let me see here, and I'll do CCR and okay, nice one. And let's just see if I am actually live here. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Okay. Sorry, I thought went live on the woman's page. I just realised that I can't view my own live from my own one, but I can view it from. Jeez, I had a heart attack there. Yeah, I thought it went live on Ivana's thing. If you are listening on Instagram, it's not ideal. The audio isn't ideal on Instagram there, and you can let me know what it sounds like there anyway. But it's not ideal. I'm just putting on there just to promote the old Twitch stream and the Facebook stream there and stuff there as well. I forgot to even do a post on Instagram, but there you go. Liam Fitz is in there anyway. Liam, let me know what it sounds like, pal. But as I said, it's not the audio's not ideal there. Carly's in there as well. It's not ideal on Instagram. Oh, I see trouble on the way. Yeah, I see the earth quakes and lightning. Oh, I see the bad times today. So don't go around tonight, for it's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. So bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. Well, now I hear the hurricane's blowing. I know the end is coming soon. Well, I fear the river's overflowing. Oh, I hear this raging room. Bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. So don't go around tonight, for it's bound to take your life. Yeah, there's a bad moon on the rise. Well, I hope you got your things together. Well, I hope you're quite prepared to die. What it looks like we're in for nasty weather. Oh, one eye is taken for an eye. So don't go around tonight, for it's bound to take a life. There's a bad moon on the rise. So don't go around tonight, for it's bound to take the ride. There's a bathroom on the right. Yeah, there's a bathroom on the right. There's a bathroom on the right. Said I remember when we used to sit in a government yard in Trenchtown, observing the hypocrites mingle with the good people we meet. friends we have, good friends we've lost along the way. In this great future, you can't forget your past. So dry your tears, I say. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Yeah, ah, little darling, don't shed no tears. No woman, no cry. Said I remember when we used to sit in a government yard in Trenchtown, and then Georgie would make the fire light as log would burning through the night. Then we would cook cornmeal porridge, which I'd share with you. Oh, my feet is my only carriage, so I've got to push on through. I wanna go and sing it. Everything is gonna be alright. 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 'Cause Feet is in the house tonight. Everything is gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be. No, no. No cry, no, no, no cry, no, no, no cry. Thanks very much. There's a little bit of CCR and a little bit of Bob McNamara. Okay, I'll do I saw Raining Night in Soho coming in there as well, and I'm working up towards the island there as well, because I murdered that on the best of days, so at least I just give myself a bit of a fighting chance, warming up to it there. And I was down at, as I said, I was down at a family birthday this weekend, and my auntie Teresa is learning ukulele, and she's learning a couple of weeks, and she and my mother as well is learning ukulele as well. We bought her ukulele a couple of years ago, and she's learning it at the moment. But my auntie Teresa sang this song, and she's a professional singer. Not like myself, she's trained and all that kind of stuff, and she sings classical and all that kind of stuff, but she sings Irish stuff as well, and other bits and pieces as well, kind of I don't know what you say, bluesy stuff. She sings that song, "Summertime and the living is easy, but hush little baby, now don't you cry," kind of that kind of stuff, whatever you call that. But yeah, she's a fantastic singer. Anyway, she sang Raining Night in Soho with the ukulele, and absolutely class stuff altogether. So okay, here's Raining Night in Soho. Shawnee Bergen. I can't see the picture, but is that my Shawnee Bergen? Shawnee Bergen, is that you? And then Bowie said he was talking to you there, if that is the same Shawnee Bergen. No, it's compressed as other platforms. It might be. It's funny there on Instagram. It's mono, so it might be. Yeah, it might be kind of a cleaner sound on the phone if you're listening to it there, for sure. But it won't be stereo in the headphones. But it might be a really kind of a clear sound there, but it won't be wide, if you get me. But that's good anyway. I'm delighted to hear that. Thanks very much, Liam. And someone else said the sound was good there as well. Gotta love making Keith smile and laugh mid lyric there with the bathroom, yeah. Bathroom on the right. Um, uh, I don't think Bowie's there. I'm in there. I'm in as the Finns, Carly. So let me go to Renata got called away. What's it called? Running in so. I've been loving you a long time. So this is a Pogue song. I think he wrote this one. I think he did in fact write it. But I can't be sure at all. Resources here. I still don't know. Would you believe it? But I'm learning this still. Let's see if I can get it out. Stupid fancy tea bags. I've been loving you a long time, down all the years and down all the days, and I've cried for all your troubles, smile at your funny little ways. We watched our friends grow up together, and we saw them as they fell, and some of them fell into heaven, and some of them fell into hell. I took shelter from a shower, and I stepped into your arms on a rainy night in Soho. The wind was whistling all its charms, and I sang you all my sorrows, and you told me all your joys. Whatever happened to that old song, to all those little girls and boys? Sometimes I wake up in the morning, a ginger lady by my bed, covered in a cloak of silence. I hear you talking in my head. I'm not singing for the future, I'm not dreaming of the past. No, I'm not talking of the first time. I never think about the last. And now the song is nearly over. We may never find out what it means. Now still there's a light I hold before me. You're the measure of my dreams, the measure of my dreams. There we go. There's a little bit of a rainy night in Soho, a bit of Pogues, and we're coming close to the singing one of the most famous Pogue songs ever. Very, very shortly. Where did I put this the last time? Where did I hang it? I didn't know what I hung it on last time. A nice one. Okay, let me see who's on. David Flanagan joined there on the old Instagram there as well, and Tertu, I think that's Christina. Yeah, Liam, grab the in-ears there, man, and check and let me know there what's like there. You should be able to. It should sound more closed in. You can compare them actually, and then you'll be able to tell me there. Good man, good stuff, Shawnee. It is Shawnee there, alright. My old Shawnee Bergen there, Rat Downey. Well, we'll claim it was Rat Downey anyway. I don't know where you're at the moment, Shawnee. Love Your Measure of My Dreams is a great line actually, lovely line. I love this. Okay. Galway Girl, okay, I'll do Galway Girl there. I saw that one there. Oh, Katie Louise is in there as well, so I'll do that one for you. No problem, Catherine. And Key, do you have a Twitch only? Listen, Key, you have to do a Twitch only soon and do a fiddle set. I'll probably do a Twitch only set on this Thursday. Come on, I just said I'd do a full, the full board. Full spectrum of gigs or platforms this Monday because I haven't been doing much at all on Facebook at all. I was supposed to be going live every Sunday on Facebook as well as Twitch and YouTube, but haven't been able to. Things have been kind of mad at the moment there. What's going on here? Yeah, so and I'll do a fiddle one there. I almost did one tonight there, but I didn't. Listening from in the shower. Jesus, Katie, that's very risque. Chatter now on an old chat. Uh, the shower is for singing, not for listening. You should be in there having an old sing song yourself. Boston Rose. Okay, I'll do Galway Girl and Boston Rose here, and then I'll see where I am fixed there for Sarah Louise was looking for. Jesus, Island, the Island. Change that. No longer. Well, I took a stroll on the old long walk on a day. I met a little girl and I stopped to talk. Friend softly high, and I asked you, friend, what's a fella to do if her hair was black and her eyes were blue? And I knew right then I'd be taking the world around the salted rum with the Galway girl. Ya da 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 da, ya da 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 da, skilly da diddly da diddly da diddly da da diddly da da, ya da 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 da, ya da da ya da diddly da da, skilly da diddly da diddly da diddly da one diddly da diddly bum bum. We were halfway there when the rain came down on a day. She asked me up to her flat downtown, went softly high, and I asked you, friend, what's a fella to do? Her hair was black and her eyes were blue. And I knew right then I'd be taking the world round a salted prom with the Galway girl. Ya da 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 da, ya da 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 da, feel it up, feel it up, feel it up, feel it up, da 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 da, ya da ya da 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 da, feel it up, feel it up, feel it up, feel it up, da 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 da, bam bam, ya da bam bam, da 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 da, skala da 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 da, bam bam. When I woke up, I was all alone in the day. With a broken heart and I take it home and I find softly high. And I ask you, friend, what the fella to do if her hair was black and her eyes were blue? You see, I traveled around, been all over this world, boys. I ain't never seen nothing like a Galway girl. Yeah, da 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 da, skilly da diddly da diddly da diddly da diddly da bam, ya da 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 da, ya da ya da 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 da, skilly da diddly da diddly da diddly da diddly da bam, diddly da bam, ba da bam bam, skilly da da da, skilly da 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 diddly da bam, diddly diddly bam bam. Thanks very much. That's for Katie was looking for that one there. The Scaldy Girl will never get sick of that one. Or will we? We won't. Okay, I'll do Boston Rose here as well, and then I'm going to attempt the island there for Sarah Louise there as well. I don't think we'll ever warm enough for that one. Sound on Twitch is unreal good. Yeah, Twitch is they have the video and the old sound nailed on it, don't they? Yeah, Insta have one big difference in the balance in comparison. But yeah, but as you said, it still sounds okay, Liam. So that's great, you know. But it's in mono. Instagram is in mono. I hope they change it soon there, you know. But it's good crack there streaming on Instagram. I think different. So here's what was I say? This was Boston Rose. Okay. Late great Liam Riley. about this one. Now the autumn leaves are falling, and the tourists have all gone, and the children, they have all gone back to school, and my life is as it was before. I work 8 hours a day, but the company's still making all the rules. But there's a girl in Massachusetts, south of Boston town, she said, and her lovely face is with me all the day. Well, I met her down in Old Tralee, golden hair upon her head, and I took her heart and she stole mine away. So goodbye, my Boston beauty, farewell, my Boston rose. I'll wait for you, I'll think of you, a threat to you I'll pose. So goodbye, my Boston beauty, farewell, my Boston rose. I wish that you were here, but I know that's the way life goes. There's a song we sang all summer long in the bars of Dublin town. I can hear it on the factory radio, and the feeling that I remember when I hear that simple tune makes me wonder if it really happened so. For we laughed and loved together till the summer days were gone, and she had to fly across the ocean wide. So goodbye, my Boston beauty, until we meet again. And I'll keep the fire burning deep inside. So goodbye, my Boston beauty, farewell, my Boston rose. I wish you, I'll think of you, a threat to you I'll pose. So goodbye, my Boston beauty, farewell, my Boston rose. I wish that you were here, but I know that's the way life goes. And my friends are gathered round, and just for fun someone brings up your name. Now I smile there with the rest of them, but I can't hear the sound. You see, I love you, but to them it's all the same. And nights when I'm alone, my love, you come into my mind, and visions flash across the Emerald Isle. Now I'll watch the moon there up above, and I'll leave this earth behind, and I'll wave to you as I go sailing by. So goodbye, my Boston beauty, farewell, my Boston rose. I'll wait for you, I'll think of you, no threat to you I'll pose. So goodbye, my Boston beauty, farewell, my Boston rose. I wish that you were here, but I know that's the way life goes. Thank you very much. There it is, a song called Boston Rose. Okay. And that was Katie looking for that one as well. Las Vegas in the Bills of Donegal. Marcella took over that one there, the Bills of Donegal. So I'll try the island here first, right? No, I'll just do Hills of Donegal, and then I'll try the island then again after that. I have you on a Sonos Move speaker tonight, and the sound is just class. Cool. A Sonos Move speaker. I don't know what one those are, Raymond, but I'm intrigued. Sonos Move. Playing on with the Bouzouki again. Good man, Toby. And I'd say you're there already for sure. Okay, so John Harty is in there as well. Now open the door and let us all in. You're all in. The door is open. Consider it open, John Harty. And okay, Boston Rose is an absolute class song there, and some beautiful versions floating around there. I have to let's say. Sing along the shower Bowie's part. That's fair enough. So Fiddler's Green, I've done that one a few times now actually. I've tried it there. It's normally Bowie's song, but he ain't here, so I'll try it. So let me just do Hills of Donegal, and then I'll try Dyland, and then I will try the other one I said there, just there 2 seconds ago. Fiddler's Green. Let me bring this closer to me, mew. Mew. Okay, Hills of Donegal. This one wakes up the old vocal cords. You may talk about Atlantis, how us lost beneath the sea, but a grieving you old soldier, the cry of the old banshee. Who was the man in the iron mask, Jack the Ripper set free? But as to my where's Donegal, it's still a mystery. And if I could, I'd build a wall all round old Donegal, one north and south to keep them out. By God, I'd build them tall. You'd see those chicken ranches, and I'd legalise them all. We have our own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Late-night pubs, all-night clubs, blackjack and roulette. Neil Vinnie, Bridget Nielsen, Mike Tyson having a bet. And in the show that will be known for its filthy millionaires. And Donald Trump would like a drunk to live in solitaire. If I could, I'd build a wall all round old Donegal. Well, north and south to keep them out. By God, I'd build them tall. You'd see those chicken ranches, and I'd legalise them all. And we have our own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. The standing top of Vertical would give me such a thrill. Well, I heard he said in Dublin, there's gold in them there hills. But don't despair, 'cause if you dare, the answer lies with me. There's a lot of Stevens going cheap somewhere in Germany. If I could, I'd build a wall all around Donegal. Well, north and south to keep them out. By God, I'd build them tall. You'd see those chicken ranches, and I'd legalise them all. And we have our own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. And if I could, I'd build a wall all around Donegal. Well, north and south to keep them out. By God, I'd build them tall. You'd see those chicken ranches, and I'd legalise them all. And we have our own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Las Vegas in the hills of Doon and Owl. Stay. Yeah, figure, yeah. Nice one, okay. Hanka joined. SML Angston joined. Bazooki Lukey joined there as well on the Ola. There's only a few. I think there's only one watching on Instagram. That's alright. If you're watching Instagram and it didn't let me write down what was the title of it there. I should have just said I'm live on Twitch and YouTube and Facebook. Okay, let me try the island. And I'll use my select all, copy. Maybe I have it in this one already. Teleprompter. Let me see if I have it in it. No, I don't. I'll put it in here. Feeling a bit clumsy on the old guitar tonight, I have to say. But let's see how far. How did I do it before? That. Okay. Let's see how far we got with this one here. And swallowing and gulping. A nice surprise to everyone on a Monday evening. What's everyone doing out there, by the way, on a Monday? Sorry, I'm just done. Jesus. See the skies of Lebanon are burning, those mighty cedars bleeding in the heat. They're showing pictures on the television, women and children dying in the streets. And we're still at it in our own place, still trying to reach the future through the past, still trying to carve tomorrow from a tombstone. But hey, don't listen to me, this wasn't meant to be no sad song. I've sang too much of that before. Right now I always want to be here with you. The morning dew comes falling, I wanna take you to the island and trace your footsteps in the sand. And in the evening there's no one around, we make love to the sound of the ocean. Raising banners over by the market, whitewashing slogans on the shipyard walls, witch doctors playing for a mighty showdown, the way a holy flag is gonna fall. Up here we sacrifice our children to feed the worn out dreams of yesterday, and teach them dying will lead us into glory. But hey, don't listen to me, cause this wasn't meant to be no sad song. We've had too much of that before. Right now I only want to be here with you till the morning dew comes falling. I wanna take you to the island and trace your footsteps in the sand. And in the evening the sun goes down, we make love to the sound of the ocean. Now I know us plain folks don't know the bigger picture, and all this peace and love's just copping out, and the young boys dying in the ditches. Is this what being free is all about? And how does twisted wreckage down on Main Street will bring us together in the end, as we go marching down the road to freedom, freedom, freedom. Thanks very much. Jesus, that one was a struggle again. And this thing keeps going down. I'll break you if you fall down again, you faker. Nice one. So that was for Sarah Louise there. That's a fucking hard one. Do you do that one, Liam? Thanks, pal. Cheers, man. I can't remember, was that the way I played it? Anyway, okay, moving on. What's the next old request there that came in there? I know there's a few more that came in. Who's this by again? Paul Brady is that that one, I think. I think that was the one you're wondering about there. Rebecca, Jackie, hope I'm late watching TV. Forgot to check my phone. Hope you're well. That's no problem, Rebecca. I didn't even put up a post that I was going live at all. I just managed to get going. Okay. When's working on getting Thanksgiving cards out the door here? Paddy Reese is in there as well. Turkey Day is coming. When's Thanksgiving again there? What date is it over there again? Beata is in there as well. And that's no problem. Okay, I think I'm up to date with the Fiddler's Green. That was it. I'll do Fiddler's Green. Absolutely. Okay. What did we agree on? Was it oilskins and blankets or oilskins and jumpers? Wrap me up in me oilskins and blankets. I think it was going with blankets. What are we going for? Okay. What's going to be the winner? I heard Dolores Keane sing here. Oh, Jesus, yeah. The Keanes, Sean Keane and Dolores Keane do a lot of covers of different songs, and anything they touch is fucking savage. Rebecca, I did Black Velvet Band already. Apologies, but I will do it again for you before I finish, if that's alright. I can put it at the end of the set here tonight. Let's see there. Oilskin and jumper. Renata wants jumper. Can we have some diddly fiddly, please? Oh, Jesus. I haven't gone near the fiddle. The last time I probably played the fiddle was the last time you saw it on a stream. And how long ago was that? I don't know. Thanksgiving Thursday, 25th is always on a Thursday at the end of November. Cool, okay. I didn't even know. I thought it was a specific date. Okay. I didn't know it was on a... Everyone wants jumpers, so fecky, I'm going to sing blankets. That'll learn you. As I walk by the dockside one evening so fair. It says jumpers on here as well. Okay, I'll do jumpers and see. Okay. As I walked by the dockside one evening so fair, to view the still water and take the salt air, I heard an old fisherman singing this song. Won't you take me away, boys, my time isn't long. Wrap me up in me oilskins and jumpers, no more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me your shipmates I'm taking a trip, mates, and I'll see you one day on Fiddler's Green. Now Fiddler's Green is a place I heard tell, where fishermen go when they don't go to hell. When the skies are all clear and the dolphins do play, and the cold coast of Greenland is far, far away. Wrap me up in me oilskins and jumpers, no more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me your shipmates I'm taking a trip, mates, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. Where there's always a breeze and there's never a gale, and the fish jump on board with a swish of their tail, and you lie at your leisure, there's nothing to do, and the captain's below making tea for the crew. Wrap me up in me oilskins and blankets, no more on the dockside to be seen. Just tell me your shipmates I'm taking a trip, mates, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. When you get to the dock and the long trip is through, oh, there's pubs and there clubs and there's the lassies there too, and the girls are all pretty and the beer it is free, and there's a bottle of rum growing on every tree. Wrap me up in me oilskins and jumpers, no more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me your shipmates I'm taking a trip, mates, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. Now I don't want a harp or a halo, not me. Now just give me a breeze and a stiff rolling sea, and I'll play me your squeeze books till I roll along. With the wind in the rigging will sing me this song. Wrap me up in me oilskins and blankets, no more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me your trip, mates, I'm taking a ship, mates, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. Wrap me up in me oilskins and blankets, no more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me your shipmates I'm taking a trip, mates, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. And I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. It's blankets. Thanks very much. Wrap me up in me, guys. Skis and jumpers. Blankets. Nice one. A couple of squeeze books I said in that one there. Getting all mixed up. I play me old squeeze books. Peggy Harty's in there as well. Don't forget about Peggy. She's there too. Peggy and John. Are you watching on the same phone or laptop, Peggy? Don't you worry. I think we've figured out now. If John is there, Peggy's bound to be there somewhere. Keeping an eye on him. Making sure he doesn't get locked out. He's the key to get in. And I hope I'm not missing out anyone here. Wrap me up in my oilskins and seagulls, just says Liam. It's a bit of an old, it's a rough version of heaven there, isn't it? When you get to the dock and the long trip is through, you're out there still working in heaven, and then you go back. So, one like that, if that was me now, I'd be like, drop me off the dock there now and leave me there in the pub where there's free beer and women. Boom. Okay. Jesus, Condor Passa. It's quite strange without Bowie. Peggy, let me know if you want to wait, because there's an impending Finn's gig coming up very, very soon. Let me know if you want to hear it, because I don't know how I do without it. I'm not really sure. I think I've done it a few times alright, Condor Passa, but it's very strange without Bowie. But let me know and I'll do it for you anyway if you really want to hear it, because it doesn't have. That's gone. That little part is gone. I've got that clean bedding feeling. I know you're all jealous. You're mad. You're mad. 3 devices there. John J. Harty has got 3 devices going, and Peggy there as well. So you probably have the 2 phones going with the chatting, and on the television as well. I'd imagine that's the best way to do it. I don't do Blight Rue Rose, Raymond, and I was humming it there to myself, and I don't do Smoke and Strong Whiskey. That's a Bowie song. I like bright blue rose. Forgetting, is that song? Is that song? Is it? I don't know where it goes. Doesn't it go somewhere funny there with the chords? Right. Liam says that's it. Okay. I don't even think. Oh, there's chords here on this one. I don't know. Leave it with me there. Sounds good to me too. Yeah, you're too easy on me. Phrasing is crazy. I don't know, Raymond. I'll have to go over that one there for you, pal, for next time there, because there's it feels like I'm missing a few lines there, and trying to squeeze them in, and I'm trying to fit in like a 1-2 words to fill a line. That doesn't work. That wasn't work out for me. Anything else to do for you? Maybe if you're desperate to hear it, I will scratch through a version for you there if you want to hear it. Kathy McGrath Walcott is in there as well. Sounds like a real good man, Marcel. Thanks, pal. When's that upcoming Fin stream going to take place? We are working it out at the moment. We're trying to figure it out when we can do it there. We're going to have a Zoom, and we want to have another gig as well, like a normal stream. I'm gonna have a Zoom like we did at Paddy's Day, basically, and then another stream then as well for Christmas, maybe more. So I don't know the Key Fin theme tune yet. And what's the John Hardy song? Is another Bowie song as well. My own dear Galway Bay. Do you know my own dear Galway Bay? That's not that's not the Dolores Keane one, is it? There, Galway Bay. Is it I might do that song because I like it. I have never done it before. What's it called again? Rome. No, I had the room. Rome. As far away, I had the room. Oh, it was far. No. What was it? This is a fair old lazy old stream, isn't it? Keep going to what's her name? Dolores Galway Bay. It is the Dolores Keane one. That's it. I'll sing it there for you and let me know. Foggy Jew, Deadly. I had that on my mental list there as well, Katie. I'll do that one for you because it's. I want to try and get that one. And I'll set for Red as the Rose. I'll do. I don't do Red as the Rose, but I will do it for you, Raymond, because I'm more familiar with it there. Okay, so a couple of nice ones here that I'm going to try and not murder for you there. So I'm going to do this first one here, Galway. Galway Bay, the Dolores Keane one. It's far away I am today. I thought I got this one. I thought I got the words to this one. I thought I had the words for this one. Sorry, bear with me there for a second, if you can. I don't have that. Oh, I know why. Ain't that a fecker? My own dear Galway Bay. You're right there. It is. You're dead right. If you bear with me here for a second, I'll just get the words, and then I should be good. This is a class song. I love the melody to it. I did it a few times a few years ago. Oh, look at that, how the writing comes in. Shy. Galway Bay. Oh, am I still on Instagram, I wonder? Oh, still on here. Do watch it. Wouldn't want me either. Okay. Well, 'tis far away I am today from scenes I roamed a boy, and long ago, the hour I know, I first saw Illinois. But time not tide, nor waters wide, can wean my heart away. Forever true, it flies to you, my own dear Galway Bay. Prouder man I'd walk, lad, in health and peace of mind, if I might toil and strive and moil, nor cast one thought behind. But what would be the world to me, its rank and rich away, if memory I lost of thee, my poor old Galway Bay? Oh, grey and bleak by shore and by creek, the rugged rocks abound, but sweeter green the grass between then grows on Irish ground. So friendship, fond or wealth beyond, and love that lives away, bless each poor home beside your foam, my dear old Galway Bay. Had I youth's blood and hopeful mood, and heart of once more, for all the gold and earth might hold, I'd never quit your shore, and I'd live content, whate'er God sent, with neighbours old and grey, and lay my bones 'neath churchyard stones beside you, Galway Bay. Blessing of a poor old man be with you night and day. The blessings of a lonely man whose heart will soon be clay. 'Tis all the heaven I ask of God upon my dying day. Now my soul to soar forevermore above you, Galway Bay. Well, 'tis far away I am today from scenes roamed as a boy, and long ago, the hour I know, I first saw Illinois. But time not tide, nor waters wide, can wean my heart away. Forever true, it flies to you, my own dear Galway Bay. Forever true, it flies to you, my own dear Galway Bay. That's Galway Bay there. I don't recognise only one verse. The first verse and the last verse I recognise, and I don't recognise anything else. Were they the right verses? I forget what that one there again. Boxerk is in there. Hello from Germany, over there on Twitch. Guten Abend. And I think I got. Did I get rated? No. Woberson. I might have got rated. I'm on the amalgamated chat here. So thanks very much. Thanks, Patty. I may have got. I'm on an amalgamated chat here. I'm on. For those of you listening on Twitch, I'm over there on. I'm on different platforms there. Hon Galway, Paul O'Brien. I nearly missed as well. We thought we escaped you, Paul, but you're after finding us there. So you may as well stay now. You're here now, so better late than never. Paul, fire any requests, and otherwise I'll do the usuals for you, pal. Absolutely no bother. Or if you'd like to hear that in different Ferryman, I'll do that one for you. Where was the other ones I forgot there? The Foggy Dew, and I was going to do Red is the Rose there as well for Raymond. Wanted to hear that one. Let me see, do I have Red is the Rose here handy? Ted is the Toes. Is the... Oh my god, I don't have that yet. So annoying. Red is the Rose lyrics. I thought I had all these, you know. Turns out I don't. Traditional love song. Because that site's got no lyrics. You can't see. You copy all these ones here. Okay, if you just joined in anyway, thanks for joining in. If you're over on Twitch, and I don't think there was a raid. There might have been a raid there. I'll check it there in a second. Thank you so much if you did give us no raid. I'm doing Red is the Rose here. Okay. So yeah, Red is the Rose. Okay, let's try. Come over the hills, my bonny Irish lass. Come over the hills to your darling. You choose the road of love, and I'll make the vow, and I'll be your true love forever. Red is the rose wherein yonder garden grows, and fair is the lily of the valley. Clear is the water that flows from the Boyne, but my love is fairer than any. 'Twas down by Killarney's green woods that we strayed, when the moon and the stars, they were shining. The moon shone its rays on her locks of golden hair, and she swore she'd be my love forever. Red is the rose wherein yonder garden grows, and fair is the lily of the valley. Clear is the water that flows from the Boyne, but my love is fairer than any. 'Tis not for the parting with my sister Kate not for the grief of my mother, 'tis all for the loss of my bonny Irish lass, that my heart is breaking forever. Red is the rose that in yonder garden grows, and fair is the lily of the valley. Oh, clear is the water that flows from the Boyne, but my love is fairer than any. Red is the rose where in yonder garden grows, and fair is the lily of the valley. Oh, clear is the water that flows from the Boyne, but my love is fairer than any. But my love is fairer than any. Red is the rose there. That was for Raymond was looking for that one there. Well, another one, but I didn't know it. And it's good to have you in there as well. The Twitchers there. Hello and Ali. Where am I? I'll do Foggy Jew. Okay. Thanks very much, Paddy. And Sakaroonies. Okay. Yeah, a bit rough, but it's a nice song, you know, yourself when you're chancing stuff off the cuff. How's Now I'm Easy? It's not coming along enough to try it tonight, Paul. It's still on the old list there, but I haven't got a chance to listen to much of it there. But I will do Master McGrath for you, absolutely. Thanks, Boxerk. Gotta get some Venga Boys out of him tonight. Oh, I might try an old Venga Boys number there maybe later on. Okay, Foggy Jew. What was Foggy Jew? Let me see. So okay, this one was in D minor. Foggy Jew. Foggy dude. Any more tail left? Nope, no more tail. Okay, what's this? Unweighted lane. That's down by the glen one Easter morn, to a city fair rode I. Their armoured lines of marching men in squadrons passed me by. No fife did hum, no battle drum did sound his dread tattoo. But the Angelus bells or the Liffey swells rang out o'er the foggy June. Right proudly high over Dublin town they hung out the flag of war. 'Twas better to die 'neath an Irish sky than Sulva or Sud Elbar. And from the plains of Royal Mead strong men came hurrying through, while Britannia's hunt with their long-range guns sailed in through the foggy June. Britannia bade our wild geese go, that small nations might be free. But their lonely graves are by Sulva's waves on the shore of the great North Sea. But had they died by Pierce's side, or fought with Cahill Brua, their names we would keep where the Fenians sleep, beneath the shroud of the foggy June. But the bravest fell at the Requiem bell, rang mournfully and clear. For those who died that Easter tide in the springing of the year, and the world did gaze in deep amaze at those fearless men, but few who bore the fight, that freedom's light might shine through the foggy June. Who bore the fight, that freedom's light might shine out through the foggy June. That's a song called The Foggy Jew. Steve Kerr, hello from Toronto, Canada, eh? Nice to have you in there, Steve. Nice to have you on the old stream. And who else did I see jumping in there? John Tomaeus is in there. Maybe a little too heavy on the reverb. There's no such thing as too much reverb for that song, John. But I think what you're hearing is I need to roll back the bass on that reverb, a little bit low cut there. But you could be right, man. Could be too much on it. Yeah, but it's I'm experimenting with reverb. Would you believe it? I would have never used reverb on my gigs for about 10 years. I didn't even bother. And if I was doing a big gig and there was a sound man and all that kind of stuff, they put reverb on it. That's fine. But I would never put any reverb on any of my my gigs before. Never bothered. Probably because I was playing places that had bad sound systems and the reverb was always terrible, and it never worked out. It always added to the feedback and stuff. Anna Campbell is in there as well, and okay. John Hardy watching you. Come down from the mountain, Katie Daly. Okay, I'll do that one, Brian. And what else did I see here? And no bother, Raymond. And okay. Anyways, what else did I see there? Cheers, thanks a million. I could do right on for you. John Harty, I'll do that one for you. Mikhail is in there as well. Fisherman's Blues, I'll do that one for you as well. And right on. And what was the other one I was going to do that one for you? I saw it, Katie Daly, and there was something else there that came in there as well. I forget what I was going to do. Let me see. Where's Katie Daly? Okay. Okay. Come down. I'll do Katie Daly here first, and then well, come down from the mountain, Katie Daly. Come down from the mountain, Katie do. Oh, can't you hear us calling, Katie Daly? We want to drink your Irish Mountain Dew. With her old man Katie came from Tipperary in the pioneering year of 42. Her old man, he was shot in Toontownstiddy for the making of his Irish Mountain Dew. Come down from the mountain, Katie Daly. Come down from the mountain, Katie do. Oh, can't you hear us calling, Katie Daly? Now we want to drink your Irish Mountain Dew. Wake up and pay attention, Katie Daly. I am the judge that's going to sentence you. All the boys you have in court, they drank your whiskey. And to tell the truth, dear Katie, I drank too. Come down from the mountain, Katie Daly. Oh, come down from the mountain, Katie do. Oh, can't you hear us calling, Katie Daly? We want to drink your Irish Mountain Dew. So off the jail they took poor Katie Daly. But very soon the gates were opened wide. An angel came in for Katie Daly and took her far across the great divide. Well, come down from the mountain, Katie Daly. Now come down from the mountain, Katie do. Oh, can't you hear us calling, Katie Daly? We want to drink your Irish Mountain Dew. Oh, yep. Gates there stood poor Katie. Said St. Peter, good brewers they are few. So step inside the Golden Gate, good Katie, and start to brew your heavenly Mountain Dew. Come down from the mountain, Katie Daly. Now come down from the mountain, Katie Dew. She'll never more be coming down the mountain, and we never more will drink her Irish Mountain Dew. Oh, come down from the mountain, Katie Daly. Yeah, come down from the mountain, Katie do. Oh, can't you hear us calling, Katie Daly? We want to drink your Irish Mountain Dew. Now we want to drink your Irish Mountain Dew. Oh, we want to drink boats are gone from the Bristol and Liffey. The ferryman lay stranded on the quay. The Dublin docks are dying, the way of life is gone, and Molly, it's all over, can't you see? Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, you kiss away the worries from my brow. Well, I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me, Molly, love me now. 'Twas the only job I knew, 'twas hard but never lonely. The Liffey ferry made a man of me, and it's gone without a whisper, forgotten even now. And Molly, it's all over, can't you see? Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, you kiss away the worries from my brow. Well, I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me, Molly, love me now. Well, now I'll tend the yard, and I'll spend me days in talking. We'll hear them whisper Charlie's on the dole. And Molly, we're still living, and darling, we're still young, but that river never owned my heart and soul. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, you kiss away the worries from my brow. Well, I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me, Molly, love me now. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, you kiss away the worries from my brow. Well, I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me, Molly, love me now. Singing, if you ever love me, Molly, love me now. Thank you very much. There is the ferryman. Nice one, mate. Oh, I think I know why, mate. That thing stopped. Not leaving Instagram anymore. It just turns off after a while on Instagram, I don't know why. It just does. Okay. What else was on there? Fisherman's Blues, right on. Okay. True, you ride the finest horse I've ever seen, standing 16, 1 or 2, with eyes wide and green. And you ride that horse so well, with hands light to the touch. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. And you ride into the night without a trace behind. Run your claw along my gut, one last time. I turn to face an empty space where you used to lie. I look for a spark that lights the dark like a teardrop in my eye. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Thank you very much. There's a bit of Ride On. Sorry, something happened. New cable. Okay, nice one. What did I say? I saw Caledonia there as well. Okay, Caledonia for Wolverton. Was Wolverton's? Who's Wolverton? Doesn't someone's mommy as well? Greetings from Moscow. I think I said hello to you, Mikhail. How are you getting on? Pete Pipes used to play this as a slow air. I think that was for Foggy Jew there. It is a fabo tune indeed. Mary Ellen O'Neill. Oh, what happened there? Mary Ellen O'Neill. PC going to turn into a pumpkin soon. Good night. Good night, Renata. Have a good one. Hope to see you back here on Thursday. Some song popped in my head from the program years ago. I left my friends. Oh, that was a cool song. What would you do? What would you do if I sang at you? Tune. Cool one. Okay. Let me do Caledonia there for Wolverton, and then I'll Fisherman's Blues there as well. I need to do as well. Okay, I'll do Caledonia here first, and then I'll do Fisherman's Blues. I don't know if you can see the changes that have come over me these past few days. I've been afraid that I might drift away. I've been telling old stories and singing songs that make me think about where I came from. That's the reason why I feel so far away today. Let me tell you that I love you and I think about you all the time. The Caledonia, now you're calling me. Now I'm going home. And if I should become a stranger, know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia has been everything I've ever had. Now I have moved and I've kept on moving, and I've proven points that I needed proving. I've lost the friends that needed losing, found others on the way. Now I've kissed the girls and I've left them crying. I've stolen dreams, yes, there's no denying. I've travelled far, caught you sighing, somewhere with the wind. Let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, now you're calling me. Now I'm going home. And if I should become a stranger, know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia has been everything I've ever had. Now I'm sitting here before the fire, the empty rooms now a forest choir. Now the flames have died, don't get any higher. They've withered now, they've gone. Well, I'm steady thinking, my way is clear, and I know what I will do tomorrow. Now the hands are shaking and the kisses flowed, and I will disappear. Let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, now you're calling me. Now I'm going home. And if I should become a stranger, know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia has been everything I've ever had. Caledonia, you're everything I've ever had. Caledonia. Okay, Fisherman's Blues. Boom, so. That was for Robertson, that one, last one. I was a fisherman, tumbling on the sea, far away from dry land and its bitter memories, casting out my sweet line with a bottoming love. No ceiling bearing down on me, set the starry skies above, lighting my head with you in my arms. Oh, 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 oh. I wish I was a brakeman on a hurting fever train, crashing headlong into the heartland like a cannon in the rain, with the beating of sleepers and the burning of coal. I count the town flashing by, the night that's full of souls, lighting my head with you in my arms. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh. hand from the ones that hold me fast. What a change, they're hugging around me, yet I fall away at last. And on this final fateful day, I will take thee in my arms. I will ride a train, and I will be your fisherman, lighten my head with you in my arms. Whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh. With light in my head, with you in my arms. Whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh. Muchas gracias. That was Fisherman's Blues there, and I'm losing the who they were for. I know. I'll do something. Where is it here? Sugar Puffs. It's gone there. I'm after losing it. Judy is in there as well. Happy Monday to you, Judy, and okay. Let me see. I'll do Turalurale. Jeeves. Giddy up. Okay, Turalurale. Jesus. I don't even know the words. I woke up on the sun. Turalurale. I'm on my way. Jeez, that is high. How does Peter sing that? How far would I get? Let me see if I have the words handy, because I don't even sing the Turalura. Sung by Celtic Thunder. Ye feckers, you. Jesus. Right, this is a song myself and the lads in the Fina wrote. Peter sings this though, so we would just sing harmonies over it there. Just do it for the crack. Why would we not? Let's see. So this one goes out to Peter McMahon if he's having an old listen. Well, I woke up on a Sunday morning, tired eyes to greet the day, a rucksack full of expectations, up on dreary Langton Way, the train awaiting on the platform, the diesel humming high, on one-way tickets, stand for freedom, time for just one last goodbye. Turalurale, I'm on my way, making New York City, San Francisco, Botany Bay. I've been praying, I've been waiting, mister, for this fateful day. Turalurale. Well, took passage on the early water, waved the mainland sweet goodbye, lit a cigarette, a puff on top deck, watched the seagulls soar the sky. I woke up to the sound of laughter and the strangers passing by. I stepped up on the land of dreams and I had myself a smile. Turalurale, I'm on my way, making New York City, San Francisco, Botany Bay. I've been praying, I've been waiting, mister, for this fateful day. Turalurale. Well, met a sham for Blarney Ginger Red on a New York City street. He was asking if I'd seen the hurling and how the hell we'd meet. And a bar in Queens, He knew a man that came from my hometown, and he borrowed $20 till his payday came around. Tooraloo-lay, I'm on my way, making New York City, San Francisco, Botany Bay. I've been praying, I've been waiting, mister, for this fateful day. Tooraloo-lay. Well, I got some work by Sydney Harbour with a firm from Antrim town. We were digging up the paving stones, laying concrete piping down. Found a place up on the hill for pines where they said you'd have the crack. They were singing Tooraloo, I'll sing, we're never going back. Tooraloo-lay, I'm on my way, making New York City, San Francisco, Botany Bay. I've been praying, I've been waiting, mister, for this fateful day. Tooraloo-lay, I'm on my way, making New York City, San Francisco, Botany Bay. I've been praying, I've been waiting, mister, for this fateful day. Tooraloo-lay, 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 Tooraloo-lay. Tooraloo-lay. And that's a song, if you look it up, it's not by Celtic Thunder, they covered it. It's a song that myself and the lads from the Fina and Don Mescal co-wrote over in London back in 2014. I wrote that one. And Peter sings that. I think that's up in D. That's down in B there, and I'm struggling with that. John, just saw something. A friend of mine is recording in the studio and streaming it. Just saw something new. Class. That's such a good idea for stream, John. To me, I thought about doing something that there, but I won't get anything done, I don't think. I think it's such a cool idea, streaming. Yeah, he's recording something and streaming it. He's not streaming and recording it. That sounds so cool. Like, let's do something like that. But I wouldn't be happy with any of the dates. Cheers, Liam. Thanks very much, pal. I have the old I feel like I've plateaued on the old dad gad, so now it's hard now to get past a certain level, isn't it? I guess. So but sure, it's the only thing it suits me anyway. It's the only thing I can play. But yeah, sure, there's miles of room for the old improvement on it for sure. So nice with you. It's a shame that so few listen to you. But Jesus, Boxer, that's all right. There's no bother. There's a few of you on there listening. I appreciate you tuning in there, for sure. And but that's what we're here for. We're here to grow the old streams and all that kind of stuff there. So I've kind of given up there, kind of looking to see how many's on the stream. All I'm looking at is the chat here. I don't know how many's listening. I know there was only 2 on Instagram, but that wasn't part of the stream really. It's gone now anyway. This was the first Nafina song I ever heard. Brilliant song. Thanks very much, Raymond. It is a great song. Now what did I miss? I'm going to finish up in about 12 minutes or something like that. So now I'm going to do Master McGrath for Paul O'Brien. Paul's Balls O'Brien's. And I was going to see if I had a different shapes for this one here, because it was do there till I practice that one, Paul. Oh yeah. "1869 being the date and the year, thus Waterloo sportsmen and more did appear, fought again the great prizes and bared them a war, never counting on Ireland and Master McGrath. On the 12th of November, the day of renown, McGrath and his keeper they left Lurgan town. A gale in the channel, it soon drove them more. On the 13th they landed on England's fair shore. Oh, well, when they arrived there in big London town, these great English sportsmen all gathered around, and one of those gentlemen standing nearby said, "Is that the great dog you called Master McGrath?" Well, one of those gentlemen standing around, "I don't care a damn for your Irish greyhound." Another he sneered with a scornful ha-ha, "Will soon humble the pride of your Master McGrath." Then Lord Lungan came forward, he said, "Gentlemen, if there's any amongst you has money to spend, for your grand English nobles I don't care a straw. Here's 5,000 to 1 on Master McGrath." Oh, McGrath, he looked up and he wagged his old tail, informing his lordship, "Sure I know what you mean. Don't fear, noble bro, no, don't fear them McGrath. We'll soon tarnish their laurels," says Master McGrath. Well, roasted, uncovered, the great English pride, her master and keeper was close by her side. They let them away and the crowd cried hurrah, for the pride of all England and Master McGrath. Well, Rose and the Master, they both rang along. "I wonder," says Rose, "what took you from your home? You should have stayed in their Irish domain, and not come to Glen Laurels of Albans Plain." "Well, I know," says the Master, "we've wild heather bogs, but indeed in all Ireland there's good men and good dogs. Lead on, Ball Britannia, give none of your jaw. Stuff that up your nostrils," says Master McGrath. Well, the hare she led on just as swift as the wind. He was sometimes before her and sometimes behind. He jumped on her back and he held out his paw. "Long live the Republic," says Master McGrath. "Long live the Republic," says Master McGrath. That's Master McGrath there for Paul O'Brien. I'm still getting tongue-tied with that one there, with the old language. Thanks very much, Paul. Hope I can get to see. Good night, Boxer. And yeah, Paratune. If you haven't followed Paratune there on Twitch, he's absolutely a legend. And go over and follow his streams there. I must try and do one before him or after him, because he's after your class, and give you guys an old listen. No, any lullabies. I don't. That Tenacious D one. Hour 12 minutes left, right, Ciarán? No, not 1 hour 12 minutes left, unfortunately. Corey Murphy Music. I wish there was 1 hour 12 left there, but I've got a job to do from the other half tonight. I have to do some photoshopping stuff there. It takes a bit of time, so unfortunately I can't. Otherwise, I'd be staying on there till it would be another hour and 12 minutes. Unfortunately, I'd love to. I always like try and push past the 3 hours if I can. So sorry for that, Corey Murphy Music, and I don't know if I'm. Better check on the old Twitch there. Fine to leave. Needs to get the practice in for the 12-hour Christmas special. Who's doing 12 hours Christmas special? Who's doing that? Who was doing that? Okay, yeah. Who are we going to raid on Twitch anyway? We've only 6 people watching there, so what we're lacking in numbers for the raid, I'm sure we can make up for in spirit, whoever wants to be on the raid. Oh yeah, John Tomias came in here. Phil Luna would be a great raid target today. He either got a huge raid or was on the front page. Lots of viewers. Okay, John, I'll do that one. I'll set it up here anyway. I'll just copy. I won't do it yet because there's still a song left to do here. So get in the last song there, whoever wants to hear it there. Oh, boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Jesus. Venga, boys. What Venga Boys song is there again? Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's do Venga Boys like that. And then maybe we'll do the one. When you're alone and you need a friend, someone to make you forget your problems. Just come along, baby, take my hand. I'll be your lover tonight. Whoa, this is what I wanna do. Whoa, let's have some fun. Whoa, come on, baby, me and you. Whoa, boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. We'll spend the night together, forever and forever. Boom, 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 boom. I want a double room. We'll spend the night together, together in my room. Whoa, everybody get down. Whoa, the Venga boys are back in town. Whoa, this is what I wanna do. Whoa, this is what I wanna do. Whoa, let's have some fun. Whoa, one on one, just me and you. Whoa, boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room to spend the night together, now until forever. Boom, 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 boom. I want a double room to spend the night together, together in my room. Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room to spend the night together, now until forever. Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room to spend the night together, together in my room. Whoa, this is what I wanna do. Whoa, let's have some fun. Whoa, this is what I wanna do. Whoa, boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. Let's spend the night together, now until forever. Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. Let's spend the night together, together in my room. A bit of the Venga Boys. And this one I like. Forget the words to this one, or forget the chords. Forget it. One house sex on the beach. Jesus. Come on, move your body. Sex on the beach. Sex on the beach. Come on in the body. Come on, move your body. Wasn't that it? I forget what it went after that. I want to have sex on the beach. What else do we have? It is a different kind of request, Liam Fitz. Right, lads, get in the last request here. I'm not gonna finish off with Venga Boys, am I really? All my life, I'm gonna pack my bags and leave this town and grab a flight, fly away on Venga Airways, fly me high. I look up to the sky and I see the clouds. I look down at the ground and see the rainbow down the drain. Fly away on Venga Airways, fly me high, the Ibiza sky. Whoa, we're going to Ibiza, back to the island. The Venga bus is coming and everybody's jumping. New York to San Francisco, an disco. The wheels of steel are turning and traffic lights are burning. So if you like the party, come on and move your body. We like the party. We like the party. We like the party. We like the party. That's it. That's all they got. First verse. I've got something to tell you. I've got news for you. I'm gonna put some wheels in motion. Get ready for the coming true. Hey now, you ought to say now. Happiness just around the corner. Hey now, you ought to say now. I'll be there for you. The Venga bus is coming, everybody's jumping. New York to San Francisco, intercity disco. The wheels are still turning, the traffic lights are burning. So if you like the party, come on and move your body. The Venga bus is coming, and everybody's jumping. New York to San Francisco, intercity disco. The wheels are still turning, the traffic lights are burning. And if you like the party, come on and move your body. I'll do one more song, lads. If you need to hear one more song, I'll do a quick one there for you. Take me straight back to science class. I'll do one more quick one here for you. Let me see. Something quickly. Or if you're happy with that one there. 1 or 2, 5 basket. Okay, basket case. Liam fits good in there. Rattenbach. Too late, Katie. And you got your Venga boys as well. You have to wait for Rattenbach from Bowie or the one on Thursday. Here's basket case, and then we'll do a raid. Good night, Robertson. Nice to have you on the stream. Do you have the time to listen to me whine about nothing and everything all at once? I am one of those melodramatic fools, neurotic to the bone, no doubt about it. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid, or am I just stoned? Well, I went to a whore. He said my life's a bore. Quit my whining, cause bringing her down. I went to a shrink to analyze my dreams. He said it's the lack of sex that's bringing me down. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid, or am I just stoned? lack of sex that's bringing me down. I went to a whore. She said my life's unborn. To quit my whining, God's bringing her down. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid or am I just stoned? Last thing to control, so I better hold on. Am I just paranoid? I think I'm stoned. Actually, much guys, that is it from me there. Sorry I can't push on there a bit further there, but I'll make it up here maybe on Thursday. I'm hopefully going to be able to start at around 6 o'clock again and go till whatever, 9:30 or something like that. That's the plan anyway. That never goes to plan, as you know. Oops. Sorry about that. Let me just go here and let's see how many we have on Twitch to raid. And we'll raid someone here. A bit of a mad old. Great night. Don't bother. Yeah, thanks very much for listening. A bit of a strange stream now. So let me see. 1 or 2 or 5 is the finest. Thanks, the Corey music. Thanks a million. Let me go on here to. How would I find Corey? I'm just going to stream that there, or screenshot that. So John Timaeus had John Timaeus put in something here. I'm going to stream someone here. Here we go. Phil Luna. What was it again? / I forget it. / raid space Phil Luna. God damn it. Luna. Oh no. Shy. Phil. Okay, let's try it here. Do I have to put in that, do I? I think I have to put in that, don't I? Let's see, is it working? Invalid username. Oh, sorry. Underscore. Thanks, John. Let me see here. / raid. Phil Luna. Oops. Oh, okay. Nice one. Okay, we're going to raid on Twitch anyway, guys. And thanks very much. I'll see you back here. I'll probably see you back here on Twitch only on Thursday. I'll have to think about it there, but I might be back only on Twitch on the Thursday. So if you want to get the old stream there, catching a stream, it'll be an early one for me anyway. 6 o'clock. It'll be crazy early for you guys as well. I'm going to raid here anyway. So enjoy Phil Luna. I can watch him here now as well when I'm wrapping up here. Cool. Phil is good peeps. Deadly. Thanks very much, guys. Thanks for everyone there. I won't start going through the names because I'm going to leave someone out and I don't want to do that. Thanks to everyone who jumped in on the stream here this evening, and I appreciate it there. Thank you so much for everything and all the donations there as well. and sharing and all that kind of stuff. I appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your night, and I'll see you back on. I'll see you back streaming somewhere as well on Thursday as well. So enjoy the rest of your night. Have a good one. Raid on Twitch and. Okay, stop this bad boy as well. Have a good one.